Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a basic sweet dish vermicelli kheer where everyone can prepare at home. The entire ingredients required is mentioned in the list. Take 1 liter of fresh full cream milk, add half liter of water as well. 150 grams of roasted vermicelli, 4 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter, 1.5 tablespoon of golden raisins, 2 tablespoons of whole cashew nuts, 1.5 tablespoons of black raisins, 1.5 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 250 grams of sugar as well, but you could take more or less as per your personal choices. All the ingredients is ready now in a bowl for the preparation. Let us start the preparation. Switch on the burner and on one burner keep the milk to boil. On the other burner keep a heavy bottom pan. I am using uruli. Add the ghee which was kept ready. Once the ghee is heated, add the whole cashew nuts. Just mix the cashew nut using a strainer. Let it roast on a low flame till it turns golden brown. Add sugar to the milk and stir well so that the sugar will get dissolved along with the milk. The cashew has turned right now golden brown, which is crunchy and crispy. Strain the cashew and place it in a plate. Add the golden raisins to the heated ghee. Once the raisins pops up, remove and place it on a plate. Never over fry the raisins because it will turn bitter. Continue the same process with the black raisins too. Once the black raisins pops up, remove it from the hot ghee and place it in the same plate of cashew and the golden raisins. As an option, I am still adding the roasted vermicelli into the ghee which was used for frying cashew and the raisins and just roasting again on a low flame. On the other burner, the milk is almost getting boiled. Right now I am adding the cardamom powder to the milk. I am just giving a gentle mix of the cardamom powder to mix well with the milk using a ladle. Almost the milk is boiled. Right now let us add the milk to the roasted vermicelli. Now let the vermicelli cook along with the milk for at least minimum of 8 to 10 minutes on a low flame. Now the vermicelli kheer is ready. It has become thick. Add the roasted cashew and the raisins to the vermicelli kheer. Dear viewers, hope you have enjoyed the basic and simple preparation of vermicelli kheer, which can be done during this festive season. The thick vermicelli kheer can be served right now. Dear viewers, hope all of you have enjoyed this session of preparing vermicelli kheer. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive automatic notifications once my new videos are uploaded on YouTube in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.